Welcome to Dr. Imran's Official. Today we will talk about examination of intestinal lymphocytes through colonoscopy. Intestinal lymphocytes colonoscopy. Intestinal lymphocytes are immune cells found in the lining of the intestines. During a colonoscopy, a thin, flexible tube with a camera on the end is inserted into the colon to examine the intestinal lining. Intestinal lymphocytes can be observed as part of this examination, especially if there are concerns about inflammation or immune-related conditions in the gut, such as inflammatory bowel disease (IBD). The presence and behavior of these lymphocytes can provide valuable information to healthcare providers regarding the health of your intestines. If you have specific questions or concerns about intestinal lymphocytes and a colonoscopy, it's best to discuss them with your gastroenterologist or healthcare provider.